Can you believe that MDMA, what's known as ecstasy, is actually on track for FDA approval in 2023, next year, for PTSD therapy? Mark this down, this day, today, when you're watching this video, this day forward, you're going to continuously hear about MDMA being legalized. It's one of those things where once it's pointed out to you, you're just going to hear about it and hear about it. It's quite fascinating and exciting and all of the above. This physician named Bessel van der Kolk, who's the main leaders of PTSD treatment, said recently, this MDMA study was the single most impressive thing that he has seen in overcoming trauma in a very long time. And that says a lot. He's referring to the May 2021 article that was published in Nature. It was a randomized control trial, phase 3 study in 91 patients with PTSD. And the scoring, the CAPS-5 score, which is a measure of PTSD, actually reduced to 24.4 in the MDMA group compared to 13.9 in the placebo group. Basically, what this is saying is that the treatment with MDMA is 2 times better than just therapy alone. It's used in the treatment of PTSD through a protocol where you would do 3 sessions over a course of 3 months. And it was found to have 2/3 of people would actually remit from their PTSD symptoms, which is really high. This is just astounding. It's a $25 million total market for MDMA, pharmaceutical grade MDMA, and it's expected to double every year due to this drastic regulatory change. In fact, British Columbia decriminalized up to 2.5 grams of MDMA. Jennifer Mitchell of UCSF said that while many forms of PTSD therapy involve recalling previous trauma, the unique ability of MDMA to raise compassion and understanding while tamping down fear is likely what enables it to be so effective. In addition to PTSD, they're also using it or thinking about using it for social anxiety. They have to reduce the issue with hypothermia associated with MDMA. I believe it's going to go down the similar path as cannabis, with a lot of pop-up companies trying to seize in this opportunity. But I do think that there are a lot of legitimate uses and people who have suffered quite tremendously from PTSD. And you could either watch from the sidelines or you could be part of the conversation and learn about what's going on with MDMA.